Hey guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to simulate an optocoupler circuit within the multisim. As we know that there are a lot of costly microcontrollers that are very sensitive for our use. So in order to make an isolation between the driving circuits and microcontrollers, we need optocouplers. So for better understanding, let's start making one circuit. Okay, now first we need to take our power sources. So our power sources are VCC and VCC. And we also need to take around two grounds. After it, we need to write optocoupler and in all groups. So we can take this optocoupler virtual. After it, we need to take our LED. So we can take a red LED. Okay, now you need to connect the collector of this phototransistor with the VCC and the anode of the LED with the emitter of this phototransistor and the negative and or cathode pin of the LED with the ground. Also, we need one dip switch because we want to make on and off the circuit. So all groups, and we need dip switches. Okay, so dip switch 1, we will take it. It is a very simple switch which can connect two ends. So connect it like that and that. Okay, now also the other end of the optocoupler needs to be connected with this ground. Okay, now so what will happen actually, whenever we will press the switch or switch is closed, we will see that our LED is on, which is inside the optocoupler. Then it will feed the photons to the base of the phototransistor. And when there is signal on the base of any transistor, it will start conducting from collector to emitter. So collector and emitter will become nearly short and acts like a closed switch. And then our LED on the output, that is U2, will become on. So see that either it's working or not. Now you can see that whenever we will press the switch, our internal LED as well as the external LED will become on. So hopefully you got the concept regarding the use and design of optocoupler circuit within the multisim. So don't forget to subscribe and thanks for visiting our channel.